In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and replace text in Adobe Acrobat DC. By the end, you'll be able to quickly locate specific words or phrases in a PDF and replace them with new text, all while keeping control over each change you make. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat DC. Make sure you are looking at the document you want to edit, and give it a moment to fully load so all pages are ready to search. Once it's open, bring up the search box by pressing Ctrl F on Windows or Ctrl+F on a Mac. You'll see a small find bar appear, typically near the top right. This is where you'll tell Acrobat what to look for. Type the exact text you want to find into the box. Acrobat will highlight the first matching instance in the document so you can clearly see what's about to be changed. Take a moment to confirm it's the right occurrence and that the surrounding context makes sense to update. Next, click the small arrow or chevron next to the Find box to reveal additional options and choose Replace with. This expands the search bar to include a second field. In that new field, type the replacement text exactly as you want it to appear, including capitalization, spacing, and punctuation. Accuracy here matters, since the text you enter will be inserted wherever you apply the replacement. With the first instance highlighted, click Replace. Acrobat will update that specific occurrence to your new text. Pause to review the change on the page and make sure it looks correct within the sentence or paragraph. If it does, click Replace again to move to the next occurrence. This approach lets you handle replacements one by one, so you remain in control and avoid unintended edits in places where the word might have a different meaning. Continue clicking Replace to work through the document, checking each update as you go. If something doesn't look right, simply stop and adjust your replacement text in the field before proceeding. When you've finished reviewing all occurrences and you are satisfied with the changes, save your document to preserve the updates. You can do this from the File menu by choosing Save, or by using the keyboard shortcut. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.